The nomenclature of ethers. In that ether, we can write the functional group as ROR. Okay, ROR. In the common system, write the name of this alkyl group first. Write the name of the alkyl group firstly, and then word ether is added into that name. पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं आपल्याला अल्काइल ग्रुप जे आहे अल्काइल ग्रुपचा नेम जे आहे ते नेम द्यायचं आहे. फर्स्टली वी कॅन राईट द name of the alkyl group firstly and then word ether is added. If these two alkyl groups are the different, then that alkyl group can be written as alphabetically. Then that alkyl group can be written as a alphabetically. Then we can write the word ether. That is dialkyl ether. Common name is the dialkyl ether or alkyl ether. If the alkyl groups are the डिफरंट हे दोन्ही अल्काइल ग्रुप जर वेगळे असतील तर मग मात्र काय करायचं याच्यामध्ये दॅट अल्काइल ग्रुप्स कॅन बी रिटन अल्फाबेटिकली. जो अल्फाबेटिकली पहिला तो लिहायचा and then word ether is added. And in case of the iupasic name, one is considered as alkoxy group. One alkyl group is considered as alkoxy. O and R, this group is considered as alkoxy. And then this is considered as a parent alkane. Then this considered as a parent alkane. Therefore, name of this compound can becomes alkoxy alkane. Iupasic name of ether can becomes the alkoxy alkane. Okay. One is the alkoxy group. One is the alkoxy group, and another is the parent alkane. One is the alkoxy group and another is the parent alkane. Therefore, name becomes the alkoxy alkane. In case of the alkyl groups are different, that is in mixed ether, the lower alkyl group is considered as the alkoxy group and the higher alkyl group considered as a parent alkane. लक्षात आलं का बघा. जर मिक्स्ड इथर असेल म्हणजे हे दोन्ही अल्काइल ग्रुप डिफरंट आहेत ते डिफरंट जर असतील देन the lower alkyl group is considered as an alkoxy group. जो छोटा अल्काइल ग्रुप असेल त्याला अल्कॉक्सी ग्रुप म्हणा आणि जो मोठा जो आहे तो मोठा त्याला म्हणा पॅरेंट अल्केन जो आहे तो पॅरेंट अल्केन. आलं लक्षात आहे. हे झालं नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ इथर म्हणजे कॉमन नेम आणि आयुपेसिक नेम. सी एक्झाम्पल CH3OCH3. Okay, these two alkyl groups are the same. Therefore, we can write the dimethyl methyl alkyl group. Therefore, to methyl group we can write the dimethyl and then word ether is added. त्याच्या नावामध्ये इथर जो आहे तो इथर ऍड केला म्हणजे नेम काय झाला याच्यामध्ये डायमिथाइल इथर. दिस इज द डायमिथाइल इथर CH3OCH3 डायमिथाइल ether. This is the dimethyl ether. In case of the iupasic name, we can consider this is two parts. CH3O, another is the CH3. This is the alkoxy group and this is the parent alkane. In alkoxy group, we can write the methoxy. Okay. And then parent alkane containing one carbon atom, therefore it is the methane. And iupasic name of this compound becomes methoxy methane. Methoxy methane. This is the dimethyl ether is the common name and this is the IUPAC name and this is the common name. Okay, CH3OCH3 dimethyl ether and methoxy methane. Another example C2H5OCH3 C2H5OCH3. In that case alkyl groups are the different, then you can written as alphabetically. Ethyl is first, ethyl, then we can write the methyl and then word ether is added. Ethyl methyl ether, ethyl methyl ether. Then iupasic name. In case of the iupasic name, the smaller alkyl group is considered as alkoxy group and larger is considered as a parent alkane. Therefore, we can write this is the methoxy. Okay. Then two carbon atoms Therefore, parent alkane is the ethane. Methoxyethane. Methoxyethane. Name of this compound becomes the methoxyethane. Ethyl, methyl ether, or methoxyethane. Okay, next. In that example, C2H5 O C2H5. Two alkyl group are the same, therefore it is the diethyl. Then word ether is added. Therefore, diethyl ether. Then one is alkoxy group, another one is the parent alkane. Therefore, it is the ethoxy. Ethyl group आहे ethoxy, and the parent alkane is the ethane. Ethoxyethane. Basic name is the ethoxyethane. CH3 CH2 COCH3. Okay, this is the propyl and this is the methyl. The methyl is the first. Methyl, N-propyl. Methyl, N-propyl, and then ether. Okay, then this is 1, 2, 3. This is the methoxy group attached to the first carbon atom. Therefore, 1 methoxy propane. 1 methoxy propane. This is the 1 methoxy propane. Okay. See another one more example. C6H5O CS3. C6H5O CS3. Common name is of this compound is anisole. हा बेंझिन न्यूक्लियस आहे, फिनाइल न्यूक्लियस आहे, आणि त्याला हा OCS असेल तर त्याला म्हणायचं आहे एनिसोल आहे तो एनिसोल. आणि आयुपॅसिक नेम लिहित असताना दिस इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ methoxy group and then benzene. Methoxy benzene. This is the methoxy benzene. Okay, लक्षात आलं का बघा, हे झालं nomenclature of ether. Nomenclature of the ether. See, understand? परत एकदा बघा, याच्यामध्ये nomenclature of ether बघत असताना firstly we can write the